Jai Hind everybody. In the last class we learnt about adjectives and its three types. Now let us revise it again before we continue with the other three types of adjective. Adjectives are words that describe a noun or a pronoun. For example, honest, red, helpful, smart, beautiful, etc. There are six types of adjectives: adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjectives, and possessive adjectives. In the last class, we have learnt about adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, and adjective of number. Now today, let us learn the other three types of adjectives, that is demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjectives, and possessive adjectives. First one is demonstrative adjective. As the name suggests, demonstrative, it means to show something that points out. Let us understand this with the help of some examples and its meaning. The adjectives that point or indicate a particular nouns or pronouns are called demonstrative adjectives. For example, this pencil is mine. I am pointing out on that towards that particular pencil, that the pencil which I am holding, this is mine. So I am talking about the pencil. So here, this pencil is mine. This is the demonstrative adjective. Now let us take the second example. These mangoes are ripe. Now here I am talking about the mangoes, the particular mangoes. So I am saying these mangoes. So I am emphasizing on the mangoes, on those mangoes. So here the word these in the sentence, these mangoes are ripe, is a demonstrative adjective. Now we have also learned about demonstrative pronoun. There also we use these words like these, that, those. But there is a difference between demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjectives. What is the difference? Let's see. Let us understand. Now take example of demonstrative pronoun. This is my pencil. Here if you see, this comes before is, which is a verb, and so it is a pronoun, and hence it is a demonstrative pronoun. But if you see the above example of adjective, which is this pencil is mine, here this comes before pencil, which is a noun, and it is a describing noun, so it is a demonstrative adjective. The next one is interrogative adjective. It is used with a noun to ask questions, or in simple words, WH words when used to ask questions and accompany nouns. They accompany nouns. That is the main thing. Now what are WH words? WH words are like who, whose, whom, which, what. Now let us understand this with the help of example. Whose car is that? Now I am asking about that car. So whose car is that? So here the word whose is the interrogative adjective. In second example, which kite do you want to buy? Here I am talking about the kite. So which is the interrogative adjective. Now there is also difference between interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjective. Now what is interrogative pronoun? For example, what is that? here if you see what comes before is, which is a verb, and so it is a pronoun, and hence it is a interrogative pronoun. Now example of interrogative adjective: which kite do you want to buy? Now here which comes before kite, which is a noun and it is a describing noun, so it is interrogative adjective. I hope you have understood this. Now let us come to the next about possessive adjectives. Now a possessive adjective shows possession or belongings. In simple meaning, the words that are used to show the ownership. For example, my book is on the table. Now whose book is on the table? My book. So it is my ownership. The book, I am the owner of the book. So my book is on the table. Here the word my is the possessive adjective. Second one is the students thanked their teachers. Now here the word there is the possessive adjective. We also use words like my, your, his, her, its, our, their. Now here also we should not get confused between possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. A possessive adjective is placed before a noun, while possessive pronoun is used in place of a noun. For example, this is not my dress. This is so here it is possessive adjective and then we have noun. And in second example, this is not mine. So here this is a simple possessive pronoun. I hope you have understood these three types of adjectives, and in the last class also we have learnt about three types of adjectives. So let us now okay, before we start revising, there is one more kind of adjective which is in your syllabus, that is emphasizing adjectives. Now emphasizing adjectives are the words that are used to show strong feelings, like we have pure, true, real, absolute, or we can also say that the adjectives that we use to lay stress on preceding noun, or also we can say in simple words, the adjectives that we use to emphasize what we want to say are called emphasizing adjectives. Here we show strong feelings for the noun. Now say for example, this is the very dress I wanted to buy for the party. Now here the word very is emphasizing the dress. I am talking about that particular dress. So here very is the emphasizing adjective. Emphasizing adjective. Say for example, I wanted to go for an occasion, and for that I wanted to buy a dress, but somehow I could not get that dress. But in the same party or in the same occasion, I see that one more woman wearing the same kind of dress. So I quickly say that, oh, you know what? This is the very dress I wanted to buy for the party. Now, here what I'm doing, I am emphasizing or I'm talking about that particular dress only. So, here very is the emphasizing adjective. Now, second one is I have the perfect gift for you. So, here I am emphasizing on the gift and I am using the word perfect. So, here the perfect is the emphasizing adjective. I hope you have understood this. Now, let us go for revision. We have done types of adjectives, and let us revise it with the help of examples. The first one we did was adjective of quality. It talks about the quality of a person, place, or a thing. So, for example, Rohan is an honest boy. Honest is the adjective here. Adjective of quantity, there is a little water in the bottle. So, here little is the adjective of quantity. Adjective of number, the box contains 5 pens. Here the word 5 is the adjective, it acts as the adjective of number. Then we have demonstrative adjective, like these apples are very sweet. These is the demonstrative adjective. Interrogative adjective, we have example like what movie do you want to see? So here the word what is the interrogative adjective. Then we have possessive adjective, you can share my lunch. Here the word my is the possessive adjective, and at the end we have emphasizing adjectives. For example, I saw it with my own eyes. So here the word own is the emphasizing adjective. I hope you have understood all the types of adjectives. Thank you.